to start our words with either C or K. You all remember which word starts with C and which word starts with K? Okay.
Birds are dangerous.
One day what happened?
Birds are dangerous. No, small birds are not dangerous.
And K says that come on, let's be together, and together also we can make same sound, and our sound can be K, 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 because we have same sound. So they both stood together and they said, we are together now, and together also we make the same sound. What sound do we make? Yippee! Hooray! We make K sound. Okay. Now they say we are K now. We will be read as K only. So here from here a letter came in, a word came in, and the word was book. Book says, hello. If you make that sound, K sound, it will be a lot of confusion because I write K in the end. And from here came a duck. Duh. K. Duck says, I write CK in the end. But how will people know when to write K and when to write CK at the end? Lots of confusion. Isn't it a lot of confusion? So,
are you going to do competition for this?
Yeah, we will do something to solve the confusion. Okay. So now CK says that we will make K sound only, but yes, we can make certain rules so that everybody knows that when do you have to write K.
Last class.
Yeah, very good, Kavish. There is a rule like our last class only. And they say, but who is going to help us this time also? So who is going to help them? Who's going to help them? Who's going to help CK? The 5 naughty vowels. Who came in? A,
I-O-U. E-O-I-O-U.
I-O-U. And U. Okay. Now all the 5 naughty vowels are here. The strongest and the naughtiest and the most helpful vowels. And they say,
Against this.
Then there is a confusion. Now we again have to come and solve their confusion, friends. They're talking to each other. Come on, let's go.
You look silly. You look silly.
Yeah, see, look at the silly smile. So, S says to A. Come on, brother. Let's go. We have to help CK today. There is a lot of confusion. K and CK. Where should people write K in the end? And where should people write CK in the end? So, E says, come on. Oh, get ready. We have to solve this confusion. So they all went here, they all came here, and they said, okay, CK. Now,
Ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Do you know that A and E and O are triplets?
A and E and O are triplets. Yeah, they somewhat look little similar, no? Yeah, that's why. Okay, Shreya is coming now. So now what happened? Now the vowels are here and all says A, E, I, O, U. We are back here again to solve your confusions. A, E, I, O, U. All right, so A, E, I, O, U came and CK says, hi, A, E, I, O, U. There is a big confusion. We both together make same sound. K. But where should we use it? People will get confused. Where to put K in the end and where to put CK in the end. So vowel says, don't worry, CK. We have the solution for you. And what is the solution? What is the solution? Can anybody guess?
The rule, make the rule, make the rule.
Yeah, we are making the rule now. So they say, vowel says, okay. So the rule is, let me make CK again on the next fresh page. The rule is C and K are here, and they say we can, and the vowels are also coming. Okay. C and K, they say, please tell us, where should we be? हमें कहाँ जाना चाहिए? Where should we go? So the vowel A says, whenever we are before you. Okay, let me write down the vowels also. A, E,
Then what?
I'll tell you, whenever we are before you, before K sound, okay? So, vowel A says, CK, whenever I am there.
Mama.
Okay, whenever I am there, and there is a K sound after me, which should be in the end of the word, you will write CK. I give you the powers. Abracadabra, gilly gilly. Shoo. And then E says, and then A went back. Okay, A went back. And then E came, and E says, whenever I am there, and you have that K sound after me towards the end of a word, you can write down CK for K sound. So I give you the powers. Abracadabra, gilly gilly. Shoo. So CK says, yippee, hooray. Okay, then I says, whenever I am there, and there is a K sound towards the end of a word, you can write CK. And I give you the powers for this. Abracadabra, gilly gilly, shoo.
Ria, have you moved to another house?
He went back. Kavish will talk about this later, okay? Listen here, see. And whenever, and then O came, and then O says, and whenever I am there, and there is K sound after me, you can write CK. I give you the powers. And O went back. And then you also came, and you says, I also give you the powers. Whenever I am there, you can write CK for K sound in the end of the word. Now you have to remember this, that CK can only come together in the end of a word, never in the beginning of a word. It is always in the end of a word, okay? So, but now what happened? O, I, E, A, all gave powers to CK that you can be there when we are before you. But then CK says, then why is pink only K? If I write this word, okay, listen, look at this word. I'll write one more word here. Why this E has K in the end? What is the another rule? Consonant. So whenever there is a consonant before K sound, you will write only K. You will not write CK. And there is one more rule. So they say that whenever there are two vowels together, whenever there are two vowels together, then also it will be only K. So for instance, when you write the word like book, how many vowels are before K sound in the end? Two vowels, right?
Yeah.
Right? So,
Then it will be K.
yeah, whenever we are two in number, then you have to write K only. Then there is no CK. Gurbaj, are you listening? I'm going to ask you everything. This is very important rule. See, pay attention here. So read the next word. Gurbaz, tell me what is this written?
Book.
After book, read this word which ma'am is writing now. What is this?
Week.
Okay, week. So why are we writing only K here, Gurbaz? Can you give me the reason for this?
Because there is two letters.
Two letters? Which two letters?
E and A.
You will say vowels. What will you say?
Vowels.
Yeah, because there are two vowels. Okay,
Yes.
long sound. Whenever there are long sounds in two vowels, then it's only K. Then it's only K. Now let me write one more word.
Look.
What is this? Number 3. What did I write on number 3?
Look.
Look. Why are we writing only K for look? Kavish, you tell me.
Only careful look.
Yeah.
Because there are two vowels.
Yeah, because the naughty vowels are becoming double. They are becoming 2. So only when the vowels become 2, then it will be K in the end. And whenever there are consonants like N in pink, then also it is K in the end. But whenever there is only one vowel, short sound, then we will write C and K together. Now, is this rule clear? Now, CK says, yippee! We are so happy. Now, no confusion. All the rules are set. Eden, you understood? All the rules are clear. Now, how many rules are there for CK? There are 3 things that you have to understand. Okay. So when do we have to write K? We have to write K in the end of a word. Only there are 2 cases for K, and there is one thing to be understood for CK. Let me write here. Then I will show you a video on this. Okay. Now see. Let me just first write this, then I'll play a video, then we will write some words on this, okay? So, see, when should we put K in the end? When there are consonants before K sound. Consonants. N-A-N-T-S. Now, it's not coming here, so I'm writing it below. Consonants, okay? And
Yes. Ma'am, what you are writing?
You don't have to write this, abhi kuch nahi likhna aapko, just understand. Whenever not here, whenever, when do we put CK? Whenever there are short vowels A, E, I, O, and U before K sound, then you have to write down CK. And whenever there are 2 consonants, 2 vowels together, then also we write K only. Okay, so this is how I will make you